Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video on English with Altaf. In this video, we are going to talk about something many of you feel, the fear of speaking English.
Yes, Annie. A lot of students want to speak English, but they hesitate because of fear, nervousness, or lack of confidence. So, today we'll discuss how to overcome that fear step by step.
Let's get started. Altaf, why do you think so many people are afraid to speak English?
That's a good question. I believe most people fear being judged. They think, what if I make a mistake? Or what if others laugh at me? This fear blocks their tongue even when they know the words in their mind.
That's true. Even I felt that in the beginning. I knew some English, but I was afraid of speaking in front of others. My hands would shake and my voice would get low.
Yes, Annie. Many students go through the same experience, but here's the truth. Fear is normal. It's part of learning, but we must not let fear control us.
So, what should someone do if they feel scared to speak?
The first step is to accept the fear. Don't fight it. Say to yourself, yes, I am scared, but I will try anyway. Start with small sentences. Speak in front of a mirror, or talk to yourself in English when you're alone.
That's a great tip. I used to talk to myself while cooking or walking. Simple things like, I am cutting vegetables, or now I am going to the shop. It helped me speak naturally without pressure.
Exactly. And another powerful technique is speaking with a trusted friend or family member who won't judge you. They can encourage you, correct you politely, and make you feel safe.
Yes, support is important. But what if someone has no one to practice with?
Good question. In that case, record your voice. Say one or two lines in English, then listen to it. You'll hear your own mistakes and slowly improve. Also, watch English videos with subtitles and try to repeat after them.
That's called shadowing, right?
Yes, shadowing. It means you listen to someone and speak just like them. It improves pronunciation and fluency, and it reduces fear because you're copying a good speaker.
I like that. But many learners also worry about grammar. They think, what if I use the wrong tense?
Yes, grammar is important, but fluency comes first. When a child learns to speak, they don't care about grammar. They just speak. Grammar can be improved slowly, but speaking must start today.
That's so true. I used to wait until my grammar was perfect, but that delayed my progress. Now I believe in learning by doing.
Exactly. And another important thing is not comparing yourself with others. Everyone learns at their own speed. Your journey is unique.
Right. I used to compare myself with fluent speakers and feel bad, but now I focus on my own improvement.
That's the right mindset. Also, celebrate small wins. If you speak 2 sentences today, celebrate. If you speak without fear for 1 minute, feel proud. Confidence grows with every small success.
That's so motivating, Altaf. But tell me, what about people who tried many times but still feel nervous?
It happens. But remember, fear becomes smaller the more you face it. The first time you speak, it's scary. The 10th time, it's better. The 50th time, it feels normal. Practice reduces fear.
So don't stop trying?
Never. Keep going. Mistakes are part of learning. Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes.
That's encouraging. What would you say to someone who wants to start speaking English today but feels shy?
I'd say, take the first step. Speak one sentence. Say, my name is, or I like tea. Start with what you know. Don't wait for a perfect moment. The perfect time to speak is now.
And don't wait for full confidence before starting.
No. Confidence comes from doing, not from waiting. Speak first, and the confidence will follow. Just like swimming, you don't learn by watching, you learn by jumping in the water.
That's a great example. So, to all our viewers, if you want to speak English, start small, be kind to yourself, and don't let fear win.
Exactly. And remember, fear is only in your mind. It feels real, but you can defeat it by taking action every day.
You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be brave.
Yes, be brave, not perfect. That's the secret to learning any new skill, including English.
So, let's review what we've learned in this video. First, fear is normal, but we should not let it stop us from speaking.
Second, we can reduce fear by speaking to ourselves, shadowing native speakers, and practicing with supportive people.
Third, don't wait for perfect grammar or full confidence. Start now with simple sentences.
And lastly, be proud of small steps. Speak daily, face your fear, and you'll grow stronger every day.
Thank you for watching today's video on English with Altaf. If fear is stopping you from speaking English, remember, you are not alone.
Yes, keep practicing, keep trying, and never give up. We believe in you.
See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep speaking.
Take care and speak with confidence. Goodbye.